How long does it take to see results in affiliate marketing? The timeline for seeing results in affiliate marketing can vary significantly from person to person. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that success in affiliate marketing is not an overnight achievement. Several factors come into play when determining how long it takes to see results, including your chosen niche, marketing strategies, and the level of effort you put in. One of the key considerations is your niche selection. Some niches are more competitive than others, which can impact the time it takes to gain traction. Highly saturated niches may require more time and effort to establish yourself and stand out from the competition. On the other hand, niches with less competition may allow for quicker progress and faster results. Your marketing strategies and promotional efforts also play a significant role in the timeline for seeing results. Consistency is key in affiliate marketing. Regularly creating and publishing high-quality content, optimizing your website for search engines, and engaging with your audience through various channels can help accelerate your progress. Implementing effective strategies such as social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization can further enhance your visibility and attract a larger audience. It's important to note that building an audience and establishing trust takes time. As you consistently provide valuable content and establish yourself as an authority in your niche, your audience will grow. However, it may take several months before you start seeing significant results in terms of traffic and conversions. Generating substantial income through affiliate marketing typically takes even longer. It requires building a solid foundation, growing your audience, and establishing relationships with affiliate partners. While it's possible to earn income within a few months, achieving substantial and consistent earnings often takes a longer time frame. It's essential to maintain a long-term perspective and continuously refine your strategies to optimize your results. It's crucial to be patient, persistent, and dedicated to your affiliate marketing efforts. Success rarely happens overnight, and it's normal to face challenges along the way. By consistently working on your content, promoting your affiliate products, and adapting your strategies based on data and feedback, you increase your chances of achieving the results you desire. Remember that affiliate marketing is a journey, and the timeline for success will vary for each individual. Stay focused on providing value to your audience, honing your marketing skills, and adapting to changes in the industry. With time, effort, and a strategic approach, you can start seeing results in affiliate marketing and build a sustainable and profitable business. How long did it take you to see results from affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.